friends. So today I'm going to be showing you an art activity. It's a painting one and you're going to need some rocks. So keep watching, I'll show you everything you need and the steps you need to do. You're going to need a piece of paper, some paint, a few smooth rocks, and I use the top of a shoebox. So first you're going to put your piece of paper in the shoebox top. Then you're going to get your small rocks, put them in your paint, and put them on your piece of paper, one by one. Then you're going to grab your shoebox top and you're going to make your rocks roll around all over your paper. You're going to use your hands and your fingers to move around the rocks and shake the box to mix around the colors and see the different tracks and patterns the rocks make on your paper. I hope you have fun trying this at home.